meals. They were fun but meaningful. The fruits like mangoes, papayas, and watermelon are filled with water and vitamins. They help keep us cool and hydrated, especially in hot weather. I avoid skip meals. I eat on time because my body needs regular fuel to stay strong and happy. I make sure to sleep early and eat breakfast. Breakfast gives me power for school. I eat meat, rice, and vegetables. My parents say I need them all to grow strong. I never miss breakfast anymore. When I eat in the morning, I feel happier and more focused.
There, mga mommy, let's go for healthy pregnancy. Tamang pagkain ng dapat para malusog kayo ni baby. Remember, mga nanay, breastfeeding malaking bagay. Ito'y ipagpatuloy kahit na over 2 years old. Tamang nutrisyon, ang problem, yan ang tamang solusyon. I like it, Lucky One. Oh, 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 yan ang tamang paraan. Tamang nutrisyon, ang problem, yan ang tamang solusyon. I like it, Lucky One. Oh, 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 yan ang tamang paraan. Ang iyong little girl or boy, sustansya'y dapat puno.